Hi everyone. We have seen how to install Python and Jupyter Notebook. Now we'll install Visual Studio Code. Actually, VS Code, it's an IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. We'll use for development purpose. We have a lot of IDEs in the market. For example, VS Code and PyCharm and Spider and Jupyter Notebook. So these all are the different IDE support for Python development. Okay, now we'll install VS Code. First, we'll go to VS Code official website. This is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, once you click on this, you can see download for Windows option. Simply, if you click on this, it will automatically download. You can see here. Okay, after the download, you can see like this. Simply, you can double click. It will ask service agreement. I accept the agreement and next. Okay, simply next. Okay, if you click on install, it will automatically install in your machine. For me, it's already installed, so I'm not installing. I'm simply canceling this. Yes. Okay, after installation of Visual Studio Code, so this is how Visual Studio Code looks like. If you are installing first time, it will ask different types of wizards. Wizards means black and white and color combination related. So you can select your own wizards. Okay. And if you want to develop any kind of code, you can develop like this. I have already written print hello. You can see here run symbol. If you run this, yeah, you can see hello. Whatever you written, simply it will download. And what is the advantage with this VS Code means we can add extensions. Okay, here you can see, yeah, extension. If you want to add Python extension, you can type Python. Yeah, here Python. Okay, or else if you want to add any kind of extension, for example Scala, it is also be one of the language. Yeah, here you can see. So which one I should select? If you have such kind of question, so which one is having the highest downloads? So based on that, you can select. This is having 1 million downloads. So if you simply click on this install, it will install. Okay. Yeah. By using this, we can install extensions. Okay. Here I have added a Docker extension. So what is advantage with this extensions means simply I'm telling, okay, here code will looks like very beautiful. Here the color coding. Okay. Whatever the style you are using. For example, if you are using SQL or Python, whatever it is. So the code will looks very beautiful. So this is the main advantage with these extensions. Yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.